Mula nung ni-review namin yung Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G, napakarami sa inyong nag-request ng camera test. So eto, gamit natin siya ngayon to capture this video and we are in dual video mode. May konting limitation lang dito kasi hindi mo masiset yung resolution pati yung frame rate, hindi ka makakapag 4K 60 FPS. Pero okay na rin kasi using this mode, matitest mo both the main sensor, ayan, pati na rin yung selfie camera. And by the way, yung main camera has OIS. So kung makikita nyo, kahit papaano stable at hindi shaky yung image na lumalabas dun sa main camera. But anyway, we're using this to demonstrate the Wow Audio My Move. This is a portable party speaker brought to you by the same people behind the Grand Videoke. So it is a trusted brand. It's a local brand and this is locally designed. Ang kagandahan dito is yung form factor, unang-una napakaliit and makita nyo naman very handy. Nasa slightly above 1 kilo yung kanyang weight. Meron siyang physical dials for volume, ayan, treble bass, tapos yung Bluetooth connection, syempre pati yung power. Ang maganda dito pwede kang mag-connect ng dalawang ganito para meron kang left and right speaker for stereo effect. Tapos dito ayan, diyan ka magcha-charge. Tapos if ever kailangan mo ng auxiliary in, ayan, pwede mo siyang i-connect diyan. Tapos ito yun, yung this is a unique feature that I haven't seen in other speakers. This is like a silicone case. Okay, parang kaha niya para hindi siya magasgas, 'di ba? Ayan. And pwede mo siyang palitan. There's also a gray variant nito. So, ayun, kung it's up to you if you want the black or the gray. Pero ngayon, i-on na natin ang Wow Audio My Move para masimulan ng test.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
So ayan, automatic na siya nag-pair sa ating tablet. And for this test, I'm gonna go ahead and play it back. And by the way, dun sa mga nagtatabat natin ginagawa to sa kotse, ginawa na rin natin to. Yung tinest natin yung Wow Audio Jive para hindi tayo mambulabog ng mga kapitbahay, baka may magalit sa atin. And we expect that this will last for about at least 8 hours kasi yun yung naka-publish sa official product page ng Wow Audio My Move. Pero who knows, baka mag-extend pa dyan more than 8 hours. So to make sure that our devices are powered up, gamit natin yung Ugreen Nexode na Genshin Impact Theme power bank. Okay, powering our tablet. And of course, I'm gonna connect it sa ating phone dito sa Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G to make sure that we have enough battery life to last us at least 8 hours. So umpisa na natin. I'm gonna play music back para meron kayong sample. Ayan, lakas oh. Talagang mafe-feel nyo yung ano. Yan. Mafe-feel nyo talaga yung bass, and me being this close, mararamdaman nyo parang gustong sumabog ng bass, no? Gusto nyong basagin itong case kung saan siya kinalalagay. It's not big enough to contain the driver of this of the Wow Audio My Move. And yun yung maganda doon, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa mga bass. Alam mo naman, pagka mga party yung pinapatugtog natin, gusto natin feel natin yung bass. So yun, I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer. Saan yung ating timer? Stopwatch pala, ayan. Start tayo sa 0 and then I'm gonna switch to time-lapse mode. Tapos kita-kits ulit tayo after mga 8 hours. We are back. It's been 4 hours and 20 minutes since we started the battery life test. Pero namatay na yung Wow Audio My Move. Nagtaka lang ako kasi parang wala nang lumalabas na tunog. Tapos pagtingin ko, namatay na pala siya ng kusa. Kung makikita nyo, nagbi-blink na rin yung battery indicator, although the device is still on. Pero hindi siya umabot ng 8 hours, and that's possibly because yung rated na battery life niya is not meant to indicate yung volume levels na nakatodo, kasi nung tinest natin nakatodo yung volume, yung bass at yung treble. So that's the only explanation that I can think of. Pero ayun, doesn't take away from the fact that this is still a solid portable speakers. So what do you guys think about the Wow Audio My Move? Is there anything that you'd like to know about this product? Let us know in the comment section, and for more videos like this, head over to our YouTube channel at Kuya. Kita-kits tayo doon.